Hi all, welcome to Cucina with Daniela from Golden Taste. Today we're gonna do la pastiera napoletana. Put some passion and follow me. Andiamo! For first things, you put the wheat with nuts of butter and some milk, orange zest and lemon, a little. Let it become like a cream, just opening. Really simple. You just do that for like 5 minutes and then you let it cool down. Half kilo of flour. Un po' di cannella, 1000 fiori. You can add dry fruit on your taste. That on the side, or you can use a knife. After we fill inside our cheesecake until the top, like this. Then we put 7 cross on the top. Tell me why just 7. Put below in the comments and let's make this challenge. And now our pastiera is ready to be cooked, and I need to watch out because it's gonna go everything out. So, our pastiera napoletana is ready. Please let me know if you like it. Sharing and carry with your friends. Let me know what it means to have the 7th tribe an Italian pastiera napoletana. Tell me what you found out. Molto molto buona, and ciao!